Hey and welcome. In this section, we will implement complete social media app for sharing photos and status and subscribe peoples. The app will be like this app is my tweets. When you click, any person will log in, like enter his name and email and password this way, and he select picture from gallery. He select add identification for example this picture, then he click login. He will see this screen because he did not follow anyone and he did not add any post. For example, he say nice place in NYC. He just adding post. He attach picture if he want. So here you go, he add this picture and he click send. If you see, here is it, his picture, his name, data post and the picture. If you want to follow people, for example someone search, you search for people someone writing in this is Hussein. He click subscribe. Now if you go to home, you will see not only the post for the person, you will see the post for Hussein also. If you see, this is my post, Jenna, and this is post for Hussein. This is the complete social media app. We will build it, so let me follow step by step.